Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Yeah, I've got another unboxing, and I wasn't sure whether to do this one, but because I spent so long doing so much research on trying to find the right shredder, even going so far as looking on YouTube for reviews, I didn't really find any good reviews or good videos, in my personal opinion that is. There was all, you know, people showing you a video of a shredder, and it would be a quiet one, you know, no one talking or giving you an insight. So like I say, I think it was about 4 days I spent looking, and at different ones, different prices, and in the end I chose this one. It's a lot more money than what I'd normally pay. My old one gave up the ghost, so that's why I binned it, and I had to get myself a new one. So I went for this, which is a HSM X10. It's not the cheapest on the market. It's all definitely not the most expensive. I've seen them up over £1,000, and I think it's a lot of money. But this was £90 odd. Bought it on Amazon, so I'll stick a link in the description for it to click on if you want to look at one, or even if there's anyone going to watch this video. Like I said, the reason I'm doing it is purely for the fact I couldn't find any decent videos, and I thought, well, I'll have a go and see if I can do a decent one. You know, do an unboxing and see what it looks like and see how I get on with it. And then what I'll do, and give it a month or so, give an update of what I think of it, you know, whether I liked it or whether I think it's crap. So, shall we get on with the unboxing then? Okay, let's go for it. Got my knife, so cut it all off. I mean, you're not, I wouldn't have thought you'd see much in any, you know, instructions, that sort of thing. The power lead should already be connected, I would have thought. But it comes in its own box, so Amazon didn't have to put it in another box. It's already come in one. Oh, it's got a box in a box again. So yeah, we'll tip it out of that box carefully, of course. Down like that, upside down. So you can see this ain't been rehearsed, so it'll be upside down yet. So what's it say? Document shredder, HSM shredstar X10. Has it got the same picture on the other side? It has. There you go. So as always, I'll give it a quick spin just to show you what it looks like in the box. I don't think there's a lot to see. So you've got different languages on the side. Oh, it does CDs as well, and it's in a separate compartment. So I think the CDs go in the back, paper goes in the front, so it goes in a little tray, which I also like. My other one, it all went in the same slot. So if you want to recycle and separate the paper from the plastic, you have to do it manually, but this does it all for you. I'll put it in a little tray. There we go. So nicely protected. Chuck that in there. And what you got in here? What have we here? This looks like the lid. Fairly heavy. Bring that a bit closer, you can have a quick look. See that? Teeth. It's supposed to have a unique cooling system, because the other thing I read about shredders is after a few minutes they tend to get really hot, and if they haven't got a built-in fan, which most of them ain't, only the dearer ones, they automatically cut themselves off. So if you've got a lot to shred, you can't. Right, that's the little bin for catching all the bits of plastic, so like your credit cards, your CDs, DVDs, whatever. They get caught in there. Manual, quite a thick one actually, Jesus. Obviously it's all different languages. Yeah. Obviously I'll have to have a quick read through that, make sure there's nothing, you know, I might need to know. It's got inner protection, that was for holding the, oh, excuse me. Yeah, anyway, that was for holding the main head, if you like, and then you've got the bin. I'll move that out of the way. take that. Nothing much to see in the bin. Got a little glass bit there, so it's not really clear, is it? So you wouldn't, I suppose you know, it must do, but anyway, so you got the bin, got a little lip there for your attachment. So that would just go in there like that, push down on there. See that? Easy enough. Not very clean in there, looks like it's got a bit of muck. Just a bit of dust in that. It's supposed to be brand new. I didn't buy a second-hand one. But yeah, there you go. So I'll take that off. I'll put that down there for a second. Because obviously I want to take this out while we're watching. Right, they're stuck on the side. That's better. Chuck that in there. Like I say, that's quite heavy. So what I do, pick that up. And obviously that'll go around that way I would have thought. And just slots in there like that. Yeah, it's quite nice. Got a little groove there to get if you want to lift the whole unit up. They're not handles, they're just little cutouts to get you in. You've got an on-off switch. Yeah, and then what have you got? Obviously you got your on switch, which is there, and then you've got your reverse, which is there. So you've got power, overload, overheat and bin full, so that's handy. So you know when the bin's full, the light will be on, which is, I've never had that before actually. I don't think I've had any of that except for power. Come and think about it, I don't even think I had a power light. Anyway, so that's the shredstar X10. Like I say, I just got to put the plug on, which is or plug it in I should say, just take all the shrink wrap off and that. Plug it in and away you go. Like I say, it's got an on-off switch. Oh, I think it's before I forget, I think it's 21 litres or something like that, or I forgot now. Have a quick look. Anyway, I think it's a 20 litre, so there you go. Had a quick look, a quick read up. So that's my unboxing. Like I said, I'll just give it a whirl. It looks good quality. It feels quite solid. You know, it's only plastic, but it's good thickness of plastic, and the lid's quite feels quite solid, and hopefully it will do the job. So I'll stick some details in there, like I said earlier. I'll put a in the description I'll put a link in for you to buy it if you want to buy it, and I will do a follow-up video in a couple of months to let you know how I'm getting on with it, which I think, you know, some people will like as well, because you want to see if you want to know whether it's crap. So I'll give my personal opinion whether I think if I think it's worth buying. Like I say, it's not the cheapest on the market. I think the cheapest I've seen for about £5, which is a handheld one, and I've seen them well over £1,000. So it depends how much money you want to spend. And I think the other important thing, they got a security rating. I don't understand how it works, but this is a P4. When the cheaper ones are coming up as a P3. So better for your security. So like I said, does hopefully it do what it says on the tin. 10 sheets. That's why it's called times 10. And that's about it. So if you have any comments or got any questions, please post them below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Thank you for watching. Oh, and don't forget, please subscribe. Have a good one.